I thought I was going to sleep this weekend. Okay, let's go. Hello world, Ochaun Marshall here with another tutorial video. This time it is going to be #logs4j instead of Wednesday Wisdom, because this is sort of thing that just can't wait until work hours. So if you're wondering why InfoSec Twitter's blowing up, it's because of this new Logs4j vulnerability. Essentially, if you're using this particular library and you haven't updated to the latest version, which is 2.15, there's this functionality that's available that allows you to run arbitrary commands. Now, this is not a 0-day, there is a patch for it, but it involves going into all of your applications and then updating the logging library, the one package that you may not even remember what you used. Yeah, there's a lot of RCE out in the wild. So, because we are wonderful people who do not want to just go around popping shells on other people's boxes, where you can just run Minecraft on a vagrant box and you can try this exploit out for yourself. Shout out to JNDIExploit. I followed his thread for the tutorial on how to get this done. Link to that is in the description. Let's go. Step 1, you need to find a vagrant box for your, preferably I use Ubuntu images, but you can find anything with any Linux image with a GUI. It'll work for you. Next, you're going to install a specific version of Java. After a certain patch level in version 8, Java doesn't allow you to import random classes during runtime. So this specific library I use, I believe, was 8.112. You'll probably need an Oracle account for that, and the version should be below me. Then you're going to get an old version of a Minecraft server, specifically a jar file for Minecraft 1.12, and you need to make sure that the client corresponds to it, otherwise you won't be able to get it working. Then you install Minecraft server, just the same way that you normally do. I had to look this up myself because for some time I'm doing it. You need to make sure that you have the listener set up. So, find this exploit is perfectly available on GitHub, clone it, run it, and have it and configure it to the same IP address of your vagrant box with port 8888. Yes. Now that you have something with a GUI, you're going to install the Minecraft launcher. Make sure that in the Minecraft launcher you go find an old version of Minecraft, same one, 1.112, and just run that and connect that to your server that you already have running. It should be localhost since it's on the same box. Now, if you have it on localhost, you're going to just go into the chat, making sure that you have command privileges, because that's important. Configure your server if you do not. Add command privileges, enter the payload, which is here or everywhere in the description, and then watch into the other screen in the terminal, and you see if it executes correctly, you get food, and payload executes. That is the Logs4j vulnerability in Minecraft.